Leading Zero's videos will now be on my main channel.
So I'm Nathan Ray from Nathan Ray Productions. I specialise in live streaming, and I've just got one of the new ATEM Blackmagic ATEM Minis for HDMI. So I thought what I'd do today is, it says you can basically, I've heard that you can plug anything into it and it should just be able to, combine the signals using a bit of magic of the Blackmagic variety and be able to stitch together any input. So I think that's it. What I'm going to do, I'm going to connect it to my streaming laptop, and I'm going to plug into it as inputs my big camera, which is coming to here, my DSLR, and a small handy cam. I can change lots of the resolutions there. Obviously a GoPro as well, an old GoPro 3, and a Chromecast, and whatever else I can think to plug into it. So I'm plugging my main camera here into the ATEM Mini, and then camera out, and we'll pop that in there into my little monitor. And so in theory it should come through. Is that coming through? It is, yes. And 1, 2, 3 auto. But that looks good. Right, so what I'm going to do now is get a USB-C, plug it into the webcam out, because then this obviously goes into my laptop here. If I deactivate it and then activate it again, and it works. So that looks pretty good. When I plug this in here, it tells me on the screen here, it says HDMI 1080p 60 Hz. That's what it is getting from here. So now what we're going to do is get some other devices and plug them in and see how it handles it. Let's pop that in number 2. There we are. Where's the info? There we go. So now that you get to see me on here, cool, 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 cool. So now we have camera 1, we have camera 2. Right, back to this one. Let's see what else we can plug in. Now this is a really old GoPro, a Hero 3 Plus. So I think the way you do it with this old GoPro, you pop it in there, turn it on obviously. This will be number 3. Oh, look at that, it just works. It just works. It just works. This is what I'm paying all of my 300 quid or whatever it was from Jigsaw, including VAT. I thought it'd be good to get a little oh no, it doesn't fit.
Future Nathan here. What happened there was that I realised that the Chromecast is too wide and it didn't fit in between the cables here. Of course, I could have just picked up the GoPro that was connected at the time and filmed it and showed you, but I didn't.
Let's mash in a laptop as well. A lot of my shoots that I do with my live events are basically 2 cameras and slides, or 3 cameras and slides, which this is going to be perfect for. And now if I hit 4, oh look at that. Oh, I'm getting confused now. Where am I going? So let's do a quick test. We've got camera 1, which is my big Panasonic. I've got camera 2, which is my Nikon DSLR. Camera 3 is my GoPro, which I'm dead chuffed I can just plug in and it just works as well. And then camera 4 is my my laptop. So it's exactly what I'm looking for. I think something I can just plug everything into and it works, no questions asked. Looks like Blackmagic has done it again, which is great. Thank you to Jigsaw24 who got this out to me by the end of the year. And thanks to the guys at Here to Record who told me to buy this in the first place. Cool, I'm Nathan Ray. Let's make this thing. An event with Tim Peake, the astronaut who spent 6 months in space this year. And I had a very important question to ask him.
Yeah.
How many checklists did you have to do a day?
Checklist.
Yeah.
Wow, everything we do is done by procedure on board the space station, so we're constantly working with checklists.
And how